Hey guys, I'm gonna show you my guitar because I'm an autistic retard. This is a Seagull S6. I've named it Junebug because one of my favourite Sparkle Horse songs is called Junebug, and I think it's a cute name. It's a Seagull S6, like I said. It's 15 years old or thereabouts, I think. The top is solid cedar. I wish the light was better so you could see the colour. It's a nice colour. The sides are, the sides and back are wild cherry, Canadian wild cherry. This is handmade in Canada. Laminate this isn't solid because this is a cheap guitar. I got this guitar for £200, less than £200 including shipping. They retail for like $4.50, so I got a good deal. The other really interesting design thing is this ugly as fuck headstock. The reason why it is this shape is apparently string fan. I don't know what the fuck you call it, but you know, on usual acoustic guitars, the strings fan out toward the tuning pegs, and on this one, of course, the tuning pegs are arranged in a way that the strings kind of go in a straight line toward them, which apparently causes tuning to be easier. Fuck knows. This guitar doesn't actually tune very well. I think it needs a setup, so I'm going to show you how it sounds now.